What's up everybody, welcome to Young Urban Project. My name is Puneet Tandon and in this new video series, I will give you updates about what's new in the world of digital marketing. And I'm going to call this series, What's New in the World of Digital Marketing. I'm still working on the name, so bear with me. So Twitter has rolled out a new integration with Snapchat. With this new integration, iOS users will be able to add their tweets directly into their Snapchat snaps. I have tried this feature and it works pretty well. Let me show you how. This is a significant feature because generally different platforms don't play well with each other. They all want to keep their users onto their platform, right? But as we know, tweets are shared everywhere and on all platforms already. I mean, don't we all just take screenshots of our tweets and post them on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and everywhere else? So this integration makes perfect sense, especially because when you share a tweet on your Snapchat snap, a link to the original tweet will also go there. So Twitter will attract more users back. But here's the big news. Twitter is also testing this integration with Instagram stories, which means we don't have to take screenshots, crop them, and then post onto our Instagram stories anymore. Do you think this will be a cool feature to have? Let me know in the comments. There's more, but can I just first remind you that if you are new here and are interested in digital marketing, do like this video and hit that subscribe button because I post weekly valuable videos and you don't want to miss that. Now this new feature is important because Twitter and Instagram, which technically is Facebook, haven't been good friends for quite some time. Twitter had disabled the support for Instagram card previews, so posting Instagram links on Twitter was pretty annoying. But looks like they're mending the bridges now. Like I said, this feature is currently only available on iOS and hopefully this will come to Android soon. I will let you guys know as soon as I find out. Platforms in the past might have thought that it was a better strategy to keep their users to themselves, but I'm pretty sure that they realized that people were anyway taking screenshots and posting on other platforms. So why not make a system to do that with a link back? That's it for today. My name is Puneet Tandon. This is Young Urban Project. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and press that bell icon. And if you are watching this on Instagram, please follow Young Urban Project for daily exclusive content. I will see you in another episode of What's New in the World of Digital Marketing. Till then, bye-bye.